Good afternoon and welcome to NYFP. This afternoon I'm joined by Stephen Guilfoyle of Meridian Equity Partners. Hi Steve, thanks for joining me.
Hi Remy, I'm glad I'm here.
Well, we're here ahead of the holiday weekend here in the US and we're seeing that the major stocks are advancing gains for the fifth straight session in a row. Now we've kicked off the third quarter and volume has been light in terms of trading. So how worried are you of this week's gains?
Well, like you said, volume's lighter. Volume's been light for a while. Today's a holiday, so it's even the day before a holiday, so it's even lighter than usual. The market is up its usual percent. It's been up a percent maybe 4 or 5 days in a row. We did see resistance where we expected it at 1332. That's the mark on the charts. 1339 above that. 1309, 1302 are your stops on the downside. But the volume is a concern to any floor broker or commission trader anywhere.
Steve, it's interesting because earlier this week there was a lot of focus on Greece, and now that the vote has been passed, that has been a sideline yet again. But next week we have the ECB rate decision. Do you expect to see any change, and do you see that affecting the euro?
I think they probably can't do anything. They probably should do something. In our own country, Sheila Bair last week indicated that higher interest rates might be needed. I believe an economist named Crockett over at the BIS indicated something similar. I think they probably need to go higher. I think they'll be tentative and they won't go there just yet.
Steve, looking ahead to next week, now that we've covered the ECB, at the end of next week, we will be getting that jobs report for the latest month. We did see mostly no change in terms of jobless claims for the latest week and this week's data release. What do you expect to see in those jobs numbers, and how much of that do you think is already priced in?
Well, it's not priced in if we get a surprise. The jobless number has been an elusive number for the president. We all know that the administration would like to see the number below 400,000. It was, I think, 428 this week. They're really looking for 420-ish. Anything below 420 will be seen as a victory, and anything closer to 400 will be a rallying point.
Okay, Steve, last but not least, before I let you go for the holiday weekend, now that we're in the third quarter, what sectors look like a good opportunity?
Well, I've been wrong about the financial sector in the past, so I'm going to stick to my guns here. I think as we get to a point where we can raise interest rates, lending will become a more viable business, and you'll start seeing money move. But before that happens, you do have to see interest rates go a little further north, and that will create an economy for the financials to improve.
Okay, Steve, as always, thank you so much for your insight, and have a great holiday weekend.
You're welcome.